Pontoons are made of aluminum for its lightweight, its corrosion resistance, and especially for the pontoon industry, it allows for a larger platform, more open space. I do have input. We work with the design engineers on a daily basis. The last several years we have really improved on our design of the weld joint. The biggest thing with welding in general, especially aluminum, is taking the stress out of the weld. So if we can design the weld joint to minimize the stress on the weld, then that's a benefit to everybody, us as manufacturing and the customer. Recently we've added a roller for our tubes to improve the roundness of the tube as well as the consistency. Through capability studies, using quality systems, Six Sigma, we're able to prove through Pareto charts that the consistency is significantly better. The goal is customer satisfaction, safety, not only here in the plant for our production employees, but as well as the consumer out on the waterways. Quality and safety is first. Every day I'm able to go and voice my opinion. The same with the production floor. We have our employees, open door policy. We're making improvements and changes, every day as we speak.